Hello again, folks. This is the 4-H Council's concession stand. It will be open serving breakfast and lunch and dinner. I'm sorry, just lunch and dinner during the event. And they'll be having people go around with snacks and water throughout the day. And this green grassy area right here is the old school survival camp canteen. There'll be a food tent out here with tables and chairs. And the Sheriff's Department's lemon shake-up stand. And John McGee and his friends from Star Brick Grill having a barbecue truck. And the VFW booth, the smaller building of these two right here in the background, the red one, it may also be open during dinners, maybe lunches, still trying to get that worked out and confirmed. And there is some seating there by the Mullins Pizza booth, which I do not believe is opening up. There's some seating there, picnic tables, so if you want to sit down there and eat, and you're really close to the main tent area. In this area, there will be tents up near the woods and some other areas for particular classes. There'll be about 4 event tents in this big green area here and on off to the side of it. So it's centrally located. And in the background, the big white building is the Fern Kruger building. You'll also be able to eat in there for the pancake and sausage breakfast Saturday and Sunday morning by the fire department. So plenty of seating and ample food choices. You can choose a quick meal or a sit-down meal or snacks throughout the day, all at affordable prices.